How to turn off narrator mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. You will be taken to the Accessibility page. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you. Now, in the Vision section, tap on VoiceOver at the top, as shown. This takes you to the VoiceOver settings page. You will see the main VoiceOver toggle switch at the top. To turn it off, simply tap on the toggle switch. The VoiceOver is now successfully deactivated. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off narrator mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.